Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profits that we make on a regular basis. Okay, now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as our area of short term support and this area is our area of short-term resistance. Market has remained sideways and did not really test any of our areas of support and resistance. So we are just going to move our scenarios forward and wait for the market to test one of our areas so we can take our trades accordingly. Okay, so I am going to move these scenarios forward, and if there is anything else that you guys would like to know, just let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And if there is anything else that you guys would like me to further explain or would like me to discuss anything else with me, just let me know in the comment section as well, and I will make sure to let you guys know everything that I can help you guys with. Okay, so that's all for the analysis for the gold analysis for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.